Okay, YouTubers, I just got done riding my bike, so it's all warmed up. I started up for you guys. Yeah, so it's not like it's all warmed up. Not very fun riding the bike as much. Football tire. Okay, that was my bike all warmed up. Might have been getting on at half throttle there, so I'll let you know it's pretty loud. I might not even have been giving half throttle. I don't know. About half throttle though. So yeah, just got done riding it, didn't wreck it or nothing. Yeah, it's a little muddy, but heck, it ain't too bad for me. Okay, see you later, YouTubers. Make more videos later.